Everybody is looking for something unique and everlasting. Welcome to Flora Nordica, where paper flowers come to life. At Flora Nordica, botanical artist Tarja Mitrović transforms simple paper into breathtaking floral masterpieces. Each petal is meticulously hand-cut and shaped, resulting in creations that mimic the beauty of live flora. Imagine a bouquet that never wilts, or a stunning flower wall that transforms any event into a botanical paradise. Tarja's dedication to botanical accuracy and craftsmanship sets Flora Nordica apart. Every piece is a testament to her artistry and attention to detail, ensuring each flower is as true to form as possible. Whether you're an art enthusiast, an event planner, or simply someone seeking a unique gift, Flora Nordica offers something truly special and everlasting. Discover the beauty and elegance of paper flowers that rival nature itself. Flora Nordica, where paper blooms into art.